Hi, Assalamu alaikum, Rizwan here, and today we are talking about how to restrict working on Microsoft Access application when working with forms or reports. So, here this is a modal property of form or report, which allow us to specific or restrict area in backside of forms or reports, which means that you must have to close forms or reports you are working with to get access of Microsoft Access application functions or tabs. So here's an example of Microsoft Access modal property. So, let's get started.
Here is a demo file, which I already created. Click to open a file with a form, which is required to set modal property, that means restrict area backside of Microsoft Access application, when form is open. First, right-click on form and go to Design View, where you can see the property sheet of form, which is including tabs like Format, Data, Event, Other, and All. If you didn't find the property sheet, go Design tab. And first we pin it, to show tabs controls, and on Design tab, here is an option of property sheet. In this sheet go to All tab, and now turn of a modal property. Now click on Form View. Here you can work with Microsoft Access application, while using a login form. Because we turn of the modal property of form. Now I'm going to turn on the modal property of this login form. Look, now we cannot work with Access application, while using a form. We must close this form, to work with Microsoft Access application. Thanks for watching, kindly like it, and share this clip to your friends, and the most important thing is, to leave comment, of your kind views, in comment box, please.